Here's the responsible storm system. You see it swirling counterclockwise, the center of energy moving into the Central Valley. And as it does, it's going to provide that additional lift for maybe 1 or 2 thunderstorms later this afternoon and early evening. This morning, no thunder and lightning, just steady rain at times. It got pretty heavy, so we did have a good soaking this morning. Right now, a few spots of rain do linger, especially northwest of Sacramento, West Sacramento. You're seeing some showers right now. And in the foothills, this is the area that we're going to be particularly watching for thunder and lightning to pop up. The SPC expanded their area of convective capability to include Sacramento earlier this morning, Rockland, Pollock Pines, but the area that I think with the most thunderstorm potential is in the foothills. Sonora, Arnold, you might see some thunder and lightning later. Same with Stockton and Modesto. So some pop-up thunderstorms today and through the early evening hours. And then I think we'll get an additional wave of moisture late night, maybe a few more showers. These appear to be light, but overnight we dry out. And tomorrow morning, yeah, I think we get a break from rain, but we're going to notice those breezes pick up tomorrow afternoon. And that's ahead of our next weather system that'll move in from the west. This one packing an even bigger punch with thunderstorm potential right off the bat. So we're going to have some storms all the way into your Saturday early morning. I think we dry out for a little bit then, and then you can expect on and off rain showers as the system sends wave after wave of moisture and also wind with the gustiest time period Friday night going into Saturday morning. This current system, winds were light. That was nice. This upcoming system, gusts might be up to 45 miles per hour in the valley, even stronger in the Sierra, of course. Saturday afternoon, those winds back down to breezes, and we can expect Sunday to be a breezy one. So how much rain are we expecting from now through Monday? And yes, we do expect this wet weather to linger into the start of next week. We're looking at another 2 to 3 inches here in Sacramento with the highest rainfall potential in the mountains to our north, or in the foothills to our north, rather. Blue Canyon 5 to 6 inches more. In Lakeport 3 to 4 inches, a little less in spots like Stockton and Modesto. They're looking at an additional 1 to 2 inches. So looking ahead in the foothills, you got a rainy weekend and start of next week. In the Sierra, snow levels dropping Saturday and Sunday. We're expecting anywhere from 2 to 4 feet of snow, depending on how high in elevation. And here in the valley, an impact day today for thunderstorms later on this afternoon and evening. Tomorrow we dry out. It'll be a good window to get any storm cleanup done, because once we get into Saturday, it's going to be hard. These weather models are saying that we're going to get on and off rain pretty much all through the weekend and into the start of next week, possibly into the middle of next week.
Yeah, with this weather, it's probably hard for anyone with like a resolution to run outside or do anything outside right now, but they're really being tested.
Especially the weather. It's a wet January.
Exactly. Exactly. All right. Thanks, Ophelia.
You're welcome.